Hi, I'm Okan, an applications engineer at Polytech. In my job, I handle vibrations daily, and today I'll explain why vibrations are important in everyday life. I have examples. What do these things have to do with vibrations? In front of me, there is a bag of chips, a smartphone, and a ukulele. The chip bag is colorful, the smartphone is sleek, and the ukulele is small and musical. All right, the vibration on one side can be imagined, because vibration is sound, and music is certainly sound. But the chip bag, it is sealed by ultrasound with approximately 20,000 vibrations per second. And the smartphone? Microsensors continuously measure the position and acceleration. Tiny bending beams vibrate at 10,000 vibrations per second, providing the software with the appropriate information on what to display on the screen. Okay, that may not have been so obvious. So, if you want to become an engineer or gain expertise in vibrations, I will now show you how to measure and understand such vibrations. And that's with the experimental set from Polytech, the PolyLab. The cool thing about it is that you can simply borrow it for free when doing an internship or when the topic comes up in the lecture. And what can you find out with it? First of all, there is a laser optical sensor, a laser vibrometer. And what can you do with it? Ever heard of gravitational waves? Those have been detected with highly precise laser interferometers. Something like that is also included in this VibroGo. Not quite as precise, but also not 2,000 meters long. So now we have a sensor that allows us to measure vibrations without contact. Now we need to identify a problem. Without a problem, no solution. Without a solution, no learning. Clear, right? The polydepth case involves 4 different problems. Instead of the guitar, we have various bending beams. These can be calculated more easily. What can we do with this now? With this, you can understand what vibrations are defined by, how their properties like amplitude and frequency are determined. Then we would like to observe how energy is dissipated through damping and the impact it has on the vibrations. You can measure them with the laser vibrometer. Of course, there are solutions as well. A tutorial with practical instructions, exercise sheets, and links to YouTube videos with detailed explanations. As an extra material, and because we already possess the laser, let's attempt to transfer music making use of optical means of communication, so without using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. However, it is highly recommended to witness this live for the optimal experience. So get PolyLab at your college or university. It's free and definitely worth the experience.